A lion and a mouse. A lion lay asleep in the forest. His great head was resting on his paws. A timid little mouse came upon him unexpectedly, and in her fright and hassle to get away, ran across the lion's nose. Woke up from his sleep, lion put his huge paw angrily on the tiny creature to kill her. "Spare me!" begged the poor mouse. "Please let me go, and someday I will surely repay you." The lion was amused to think that a mouse could ever help him. But he was generous and finally let her go. Some days later, while stalking his prey in the forest, the lion was caught by the hunter. Hunter tied him to the net, and lion was crying. The mouse could hear his angry roar and crying, and she came and she said, "Oh, what's going on?" And the lion said, "Oh, I'm caught in the net." And the mouse was thinking, "What should I do? What should I do?" She ran to one of the great ropes that bound him and gnawed it until it parted. And soon the lion was free. "You laughed when I said I would repay you," said the mouse. "Now you see that even a mouse can help a big lion. Kindness is never wasted."